If you want to showcase your company's job openings and make it easy for candidates to apply online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating a professional careers page and a job application form in WordPress. Using a simple Forms plugin, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional system that's easy to manage and great for attracting top talent. Let's get started. First, we need a dedicated careers page on your WordPress website where all your job opportunities will live. Go ahead and log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look for Pages on the left sidebar and click Add New. Let's call this page something clear and inviting like Careers. Jobs or Work with Us. At the top, type in your chosen title. Right below, add a short introduction about your company's values, your team, or what makes working with you special. Think of this as your elevator pitch to potential applicants. It sets the tone before they even fill out the form. When you're happy with your intro, go ahead and hit Publish. This will create a welcoming space for job seekers to learn more about your company. Next, we need a reliable plugin to build and manage our job application forms. There are several excellent options out there. WP Forms, Formidable Forms, and Gravity Forms are some favorites. For this tutorial, I'll stick with WP Forms because it's user-friendly, has a free version, and makes form building a breeze. On your dashboard, head over to Plugins and select Add New in the search bar. Type WP Forms once it pops up. Click Install Now, then Activate in just a few seconds. You'll have WP Forms ready to go. So now, let's actually build your job application form. From the dashboard sidebar, click WP Forms and choose Add New. Give your new form a name, such as Application for Job Title, so you'll always know which role the form is for when you review submissions. WP Forms even offers pre-built templates for job applications if you're on the Pro plan. But for most, starting from scratch is totally fine. You'll see the drag-and-drop builder. This part may take a few minutes to get comfortable with, but it's super intuitive. Add essential fields. Start with basics like name, email, and phone. Then, include a file upload field so applicants can attach their resumes or cover letters. For open-ended responses like a personal statement or screening questions, use the paragraph text field. To let candidates select what position they're applying for, add a drop-down or multiple choice field. Take a moment to think about what info you truly need. Too many fields can feel overwhelming, too few, and you may not have enough to review good candidates. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save and your form is ready. After building the form, it's important to configure the settings so you don't miss any applications. Click on Settings for your form. Under General, you can fine-tune the name and description, or tweak the anti-spam settings to help keep out bots. Now for notifications, this determines where completed applications go. By default, submissions land in your site's admin email inbox. But you'll probably want to set this to a dedicated HR email, like HR@yourcompany.com. If you have different team members or hiring managers, this step keeps everyone organized. Lastly, under Confirmations, customize the message that applicants see after they hit Submit. Something warm and polite like "Thank you for your application. We'll be in touch soon" goes a long way towards leaving a good impression. The finishing touch is adding your new form to the actual careers page. Go back to Pages, All Pages, and hit Edit next to your careers page. In the WordPress page editor, add a new block and search for WP Forms from the dropdown. Select the job application form you just created. Update the page, and just like that, the form is live, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a careers page and a job application form that's professional, user-friendly, and easy to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm always here to help. Good luck attracting the right talent for your team, and see you in the next video.